I hang in the studio, I'm chilling with my brother, they call us Crazy Low. I ain't smoking weed, but my brother's so blown. I don't give a fuck, got him blowing on blue cream. I don't give a fuck, cause you know I'm a straight G. Gotta do my thing as I creep through the east. Don't give a fuck, cause I run that E. Motherfuckers wanna see me, but I make them bleed. Then I leave them on the concrete. Motherfuckers like me are going insane. Take a fucking blood straight to the brain. I don't give a fuck, cause I inflict pain. And all these motherfuckers wanna play bitch games, but fuck that shit, cause I'll treat you like a bitch. Motherfuckers like me, I'm going lunatic in the motherfucking brain as I take a fucking hit and post it in the cemetery late at night. Don't give a fuck, got spit by my side and we straight fucking chilling and we both getting high. I'm straight blowing smoke to his motherfucking grave so he can take a hit or at least fucking smell it. Homie. That's why motherfuckers say freestyle up in the studio. Fuck it, I almost said that one, dog. Okay, watch out. Being a G is in my motherfucking jeans. I don't give a fuck, I don't roll with no family, I come on my own. Always fucking blown, so fucking gone, always fucking stuck. Don't give a fuck, cause I'm always running up. I don't think twice, motherfuckers like me are creeping like some mice. So fucking fast and we creeping very low and we don't give a fuck, always putting this damn, dog. Freestyle, dog. I don't know what the fuck to say right now.